ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಭಾಷಾ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಡೈಲಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಚಾ. ಲರ್ನ್ 2 words daily. This is cha character. Cha, ma, cha. Chamacha. Chamacha means spoon. Chamacha means spoon. Second word, chali. This is li character. Chali. Lala li character. Chali. Chali means winter. Cold. Cha, chamacha, chali. For other videos, you can check my playlist. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Please share it maximum.